Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Ticketmaster tickets into Apple Wallet. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've recently gotten ahead and gotten tickets for an event. How do you actually go ahead and add those tickets to your Apple Wallet? Either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is open up our Ticketmaster app and then go ahead and log in if you aren't already logged in. But next you want to click on My Events. So here is where you're going to see your upcoming events and past events. So click on the event that is up and coming. And then from here, you're going to get the option to actually go ahead and view your ticket. Now, once you click on View Ticket, the next option that you're going to see is Add to Apple Wallet. So go ahead and click on Add to Apple Wallet. And now you have the option to either add all your tickets for this event or just this ticket to your event. So in my case, I'm just going to add all 2 tickets just because it's for my wife and I. And so here it's going to ask you for a confirmation. Just click on continue. And then again, it's going to ask you to, if you want to add both tickets. So click on add all and there you have it. You have now added your tickets to Apple Wallet. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your Ticketmaster tickets into Apple Wallet. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.